got the bullets, I got the gun. I got a hankering for getting into something. I hit the bottle, you hit the gas. I heard your 65 can really haul some ass. I'm feeling frisky, you're feeling good. I guess the whiskey is doing what it should. I got the cigarettes, you got a lighter. And when the sun goes down, we'll start a little fire. Ain't no use in trying to slow me down, 'cause you're running with the fastest going town. Ain't ya, baby? I like go crazy. My reputation follows me around, just makes me wanna give 'em more to talk about. Let's go to town for a little while. I'll be wearing nothing but a tattoo and a smile. Ain't no use in trying to slow me down, 'cause you're running with the fastest going town. Ain't you, baby? You're kinda crazy. Come on. I see the blue lights, we better run. Throw out the bottle and I'll hide the gun. If he pulls us over, I'll turn on the charm. You'll be in the slimmer and I'll be on his arm. Ain't no use in trying to slow me down, 'cause you're running with the fastest going town. Ain't you, baby? Well, I told you I was crazy. You're out of my baby. He's got the bullets, he's got a gun. I got the hankering for getting into something.
Let's learn Fast Girl. It's choreographed by John Huffman. It is a 32 count 2-wall beginner level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 1. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Fast Girl. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a grapevine to the right with a scuff. So we're going to step our right foot to the side, cross your left behind your right foot to the side, and then scuff your left heel on the ground. We're now going to do half a K-step. So we're going to step forward into the left diagonal with our left and touch our right next to our left. You're now going to step forward into the right diagonal with your right and touch your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to finish our K-step, stepping back with our left foot and touching our right next to our left. And then you're going to step your right foot back into the right diagonal and touch your left next to your right. We're going to do a grapevine quarter turn with a scuff, stepping your left foot to the side, cross your right behind your left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then scuff your right heel on the ground. Let's try it with some counts. We would have just stepped with our right and touched with our left. We're going back with our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a right lock step forward with your right, bring your left foot in and behind your right, step forward with your right and scuff your left heel. We're now going to do 3 walks back, stepping back left, right, left, and touch your right next to your left. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just scuffed our right heel. You're doing your lock step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, step forward with your right and do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. And then we're going to do hip bumps, right, right, and then hip bumps, left, left. And that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just touched our right next to our left. You're rocking back with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your grapevine with a scuff. Side behind, side scuff, forward touch, back touch, grapevine quarter, turn with a scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, walk back, touch, rock back, recover, step, quarter pivot, bump right, bump left, left. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that's it. Now the tag is going to happen after wall 1, which is the first time that you're going to do the dance. You will dance the full 32 counts and face the back wall, and then you're going to add on a 2-count tag. I'm going to turn to the front just so that you can see it. We would have just finished our hip bumps, right, left, left. We're just going to add on single hip bumps, one to the right, one to the left. So we're going to bump right, left. And then you will start the dance facing the back wall, grapevine with your scuff. So let's try it to the back. We're going to dance it from the hip bumps. We would have just made our quarter pivot to 6 o'clock. You're doing your hip bumps. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Do your tag, 1, 2, and then you're going to go grapevine with a scuff and start the next wall. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from that tag. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our grapevine to the right. Side behind, side scuff. Forward touch, back touch, grapevine quarter, turn with a scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, walk back, touch, rock back, recover, quarter pivot, hip bump, right, left, single bumps, right, left, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Grapevine with a scuff. Forward touch, back touch. Grapevine quarter, turn with a scuff. Step, lock, step, scuff, walk back, touch, rock back, recover, step, quarter pivot, bump right, bump left, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. After that tag, you don't have to worry about anything else. You'll just dance the whole dance the rest of the way through. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo and practice it as much as you would like so that you can hopefully rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Fast Girl. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.